A very good morning. Yesterday we dropped Leo off at the vet for the operation and we got a call at 10 at night that everything went well. Now we have to wait till 5:30 to pick him up, so they have enough time to keep an eye on him. I'm making a barricade for Leo so he will not be able to jump on the couch, and we will have to be very careful outside. Now today we will work the whole day, so hopefully the day passes quick and we can be reunited soon.
It is finally 5 o'clock. The doctor told us to be there at 5:30. It is a 2 minutes walk, so it's time to go and get our little fluff ball.
Any compression, okay? And then this is the one that we had with the pressure, which we a little bit more quiet. Okay. The blue bandage you can remove when you get to your car. Okay, that's where we had the catheter. Mm-hmm. The other one is the one that you want to keep. Okay.
Thank you so much. It's better for me to lift him to the car? Yeah.
You can walk, but a little bit. Okay.
After we came back, Leo was visibly tired from the last 48 hours. This was one of the only times where he would be without us for a longer period of time, and it must have been hard for him to not know what is happening and why it is happening. He immediately fell asleep when we put him in his bed, and he was happy to be home again. The next morning, we started off with some morning cuddles, like we do every morning. This is my favorite part of the day. I am not a morning person at all, but Leo makes every morning so much better. We got a whole list of medications for the pain, antibiotics, anti-inflammatory, and some medication to keep his energy limits for optimal recovery.
Open the mouth.
Leo will eat anything if you make it tempting enough, so with a bag of chicken in hand, I make sure he gets all of his medication.
This is Leo's birthday present from last Sunday. One of his birthday presents. It is a Kong, like the other ones we have. We have a blue one, a bigger one, a smaller black one, and also this one. I kind of hope that Leo can enjoy this thing whilst laying on the ground, because it is a thing completely shut with one hole which we can put food in, and then hopefully he remains laying down while he does it. So I hope this works. Leo, af, af, good. Sit. Leo?
If you do it,
Joe!
This is the exact way we wanted to go. Leo not jumping, not being overexcited, but he just chilling, sleeping, getting through the day.
I also want to apologize a bit for only including Leo in all of our vlogs. The channel is called Using Us, and it kind of seems like the last video is only about Leo, but that's kind of because of the life of Using Us is completely revolved around Leo now. So yeah, wish it were different, but it is what it is for now.
So we are trying to make the best of it. Last week we decided to stay in one place for as much as possible and try to keep Leo in his crate, sleeping for the bigger part of the day. Of course he disagrees with this the most of the time, but sometimes you have to do what you gotta do. It can't always be rainbows and sunshine. Thanks to everybody who sent Leo some good wishes, and for the next week we will try to pick up adventuring a little more. For now, have a great rest of the week and see you soon.